Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the Chestnut log. So, here's what I did today. I have determined that it is horse chestnut. Not American, not Chinese, not hybrid. It is horse chestnut. And I first cut off the other ends to see what the defect looks like. And then I came and cut it right in the middle, hoping to get some bowl blanks out of it. However, if you look closely, and I don't know if we'll focus, but I've outlined all the different defects and cracks, and like that inclusion there is running, focus, it's running right through the whole log. So I've drawn a circle. Focus, come on camera, there we go. A 6-inch circle. I might be able to get some end grain bowls, sort of like a Asian rice bowl. If I think I can get a couple or maybe even 3 out of each section. There will be a ton of smaller bits, maybe some 2x2, maybe some 1.5", maybe some 1.75", and then pen blanks. There'll be a lot of pen blanks. So I don't make pens, but I can provide the owner of the log the wood and give them some names of people who do make pens locally. So that's just a quick update for today. So it's kind of really a shame because there is a natural bowl shape here, and I'm going to look it over a little more. There is a natural bowl shape up to the inclusion, but there's just so much decay and cracks right there. See, there's all this whole corner has to come off. So I just don't know if I can get a bowl from here to here. I don't know. We'll have to see, but just thought I'd give you an update. And hey, I'm so glad you could stop by. And I hope you're having a great day. And I hope you get a chance to go out into your workshop and make some shavings. Walter out.